Here we are in the Montenapoleone district and with the AMG GTS. So here we are with the AMG GTS in this beautiful rainy day, and look at the color, guys. This color is made for rainy days. This car looks so beautiful in the rain. This weather actually makes this color pop out so much, and I'm actually in love with this color. I've seen this car in sunny days and it doesn't really look good, as it is looking very better in this rainy day. Okay, let's start with the technical specifications for this car. Under this very long hood, which I actually think is same as my height, we have a 4-liter bi-turbo V8 which makes 503 horsepower and 650 Newton meters of torque. All this power is transmitted to the rear wheels only with a 7-speed automatic dual clutch gearbox, which makes this car actually a German muscle car, if I can put it that way. But guys, this car is not only about horsepower and torque. This car has a very beautiful styling, and as funny as it may sound, this car is actually released 7 years ago. It was released in 2016. This is the replacement for the Mercedes SLS, and guys, although I love the SLS much more, it was much longer and much wider. It has much more presence to it as a Mercedes high-end rare car, but this one has a fantastic styling too. And this car's design is a sensational one. Guys, look at all these curves that are continued on top of the roof and end on the A pillar over here, which then the car becomes very much straight in lines, and then it comes to some curvature forms again to the front grille. And this front grille is such a beautiful design, guys. It makes the car so wide and looks so angry. It gives much more character to the car, and it makes it even much more muscleish in terms of the looks. And guys, look at the detailing inside the headlights. Mercedes never disappoints with the beautiful details. This is insanity. I hope you can see it well in the video, because you will miss out a lot on the looks of this car. It would be a shame, but I'm trying my best for you. And we have this beautiful Mercedes logo here, which is absolutely insane. These details on this logo is breathtaking. Guys, these are very small things, but I actually appreciate these small efforts that car companies put through the design of the cars. These little efforts make all the characteristics for a car company, and it affects the brand so much. Here in the front we have the 15.4 inches brake discs, which are covered by this beautiful red AMG brake caliper. I'm not a huge fan of these rims actually. I don't think they match the color of this car and the overall spec. And here on the side we have these beautiful blade shape which designates the cylinders and the two turbos of the engine, and these patterns which actually look like a fighting cage fence but they make the car much more look badass. We have two air vents on the engine to keep this huge engine cooled, and on the side view mirrors we have the glossy black spec, same as on the roof and for the rear spoiler. And here in the back we have a huge air diffuser accompanied with this silver exhaust pipe. This car is so beautifully specced. I really love it, and look at this color in the rain. And this car has a war mark on it. It's been scratched pretty badly. I'm pretty sure someone did this to this car, but guys, come on, don't do this bad stuff to other people's car. Come on. This is not a good behavior. And guys, I have nothing else to say for the looks of this car. This is so beautiful. Oh, and I missed a little bit of a specification. Here on the door handle we have the glossy finish as well on top, and this contrasting green color on the bottom of it. Just look at the beauty of this insane looking car. Alright guys, that was for the Mercedes-Benz AMG GTS, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.